Hello dear students, welcome to Karna Maths Academy. Today in this video we are going to discuss about quad equation which is needed in class 9 and in the college level as well, in classes 11 and 12, and equally beneficial for the students of class 10. Dear students, so today in this video we are going to discuss quadratic equation definition. We'll discuss about the different types of quadratic equation and we'll discuss how to solve the different types of quadratic equations. So let us discuss at first what is a quadratic equation. Dear students, if any equation in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, is called quadratic equation. Any equation in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where the coefficient of x square a, the coefficient of x b, and the constant term c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, is called a quadratic equation in the variable x. So when the value of a is 0, then a into x square, that means 0 into x square becomes equal to 0, that means the first term becomes equal to 0, and the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 changes into bx plus c equals to 0, which is in the linear form. That means we'll get the equation of first degree. So the value of a, that means the coefficient of x square, should not be equal to 0. Otherwise, the equation is said to be equation of the first degree, which represents linear equation. And when the value of the second term, that means when the value of bx is 0, or when the middle term bx is missing, then the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 reduces, or we can say changes into x square plus c is equal to 0, which is called pure quadratic equation. So there are two types of quadratic equations. The first one is in the standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and it is also known as affected quadratic equation. And when the middle term, that means the term bx is missing from the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation ax square plus c equals to 0 is called pure quadratic equation. So there are two quadratic equations. The first one, which is in the standard form, is known as affected quadratic equation, and when the middle term, that means the term bx is missing from the quadratic equation, then the quadratic equation is called pure quadratic equation. For example, x square minus 4 is equal to 0 equals to 0. X square minus 4 equals to 0 is a pure quadratic equation, because when we compare with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the term bx, that means the value of b, we get 0. We get the value of a, we get the value of c, but the value of b is 0. So when the middle term, or we can say when the value of b is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is known as pure quadratic equation. Let's take one example of quadratic equation which is in the standard form. X square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, or we can say x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 is quadratic equation in the standard form, which we can compare easily with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where the value of a is 1, the value of b is 3, and the value of c is 2. Dear students, let's discuss how to solve quadratic equation. The solution of quadratic equation are also known as the roots, and sometimes it is also known as zeros. That means when we solve quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we'll get two values of x, and those two values of x are also known as the roots of quadratic equation, and sometimes they are also known as, or we can say the solution of quadratic equation are also known as zeros of quadratic equation, because the value of x, the two values of x, when it is substituted again in the quadratic equation, then it gives the value 0. That means we get again ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now let us discuss the different methods to solve quadratic equation. There are three methods to solve quadratic equation. The first method is called factorization method. Second method is completing a square, and third method is using formula. In the factorization method, at first we factorize the quadratic equation, and we have to know that the right hand side term should be always equal to 0. That means the given quadratic equation should be always in the standard form. Then only we have to factorize. So after factorization, we get two factors. And at first we'll suppose the first factor, either first factor equal to 0, and then second we'll suppose the second factor equals to 0. Then by supposing first factor equal to 0, we get first value of x, or we can say the first root of quadratic equation. And again, by supposing the second factor equal to 0 and solving for x, then we get the second value of x, or we can say the second root of quadratic equation. So in factorized method, we have to keep in the mind that the quadratic equation should be given in the standard form. That means in the right hand side there must be 0, then only we have to factorize. Now second method is completing a square. That means we can solve the quadratic equation by completing a square method also. So in the method of completing a square, at first the given quadratic equation we have to change in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, or in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, and then we'll get the solution of the quadratic equation. The third method is formula method. That means by using the formula of quadratic, or we can say by using the formula of quadratic equation, we can get the solution of the quadratic equation. So at first, in the formula method, at first we have to compare the given quadratic equation with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That means if any quadratic equation is given, then first we have to change in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That means the term of the right side must be always equal to 0. Then after comparison, we get the value of a, b and c. Now according to the formula of quadratic equation, x, that means the solution of quadratic equation is given by x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then by putting the value of a, b and c in the formula, we get the value of x. By taking positive sign, we get first value of x, and then by taking negative sign, we get the second value of x. So in this way, we get the value of x by using formula method. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Dear students, the quadratic equation is also known as equation of second degree, because the highest power of the variable is 2, or we can say the degree of the expression of left hand side. That means the degree of ax square plus bx plus c is 2. So it is also known as equation of second degree. Thank you dear students. Thanks for watching.